up, everyone? Okay. I wish there was a zero sugar version of Mango Loco, but unfortunately, there isn't. I just like woke up. It's like 5:30. I'm a chud, but I gotta go in like 30 minutes, so I'm just recording this, pretty fast. Yeah, I took too much melatonin last night, and I'm just out of it. So yeah, I need a monster today. I gotta wake up earlier tomorrow, so I'm kind of scared, but whatever. Yo. Oh my god. What the fuck? Yo, who made these maps? There's a guy, he's probably gonna chase me. Yo. He's chasing me. Yeah, don't come here, boy. I don't have a sword. Yes, sir. Yeah. Yeah, don't chase me, boy. They got more hunger. I'm getting the fuck out of here. The cake? Yes! Okay. Yeah, you guys fight it out over there. I'll stay back here, man. Oh my gosh. Yeah, that's just really unfortunate, bro.